Hello everyone. Past several of months I have received a lot of questions about tools, how to stitch, what leather, what thickness, and so on. My name is Jamil and I have been leather crafting for almost 2 years. I'm a self-learner and now I want to help you and how to craft your products. I have decided to make a small series of videos to show you how to start, what different tools you need, which leather to use, thickness, and so on. But before we start our very first learning video, please subscribe my channel for future updates and comment below. This is how I can learn from you. Many people ask me if leather crafting is easy. Well, my answer is yes. But it depends on you, of course. It is your time and your willingness which brings to perfection. Remember, whatever you do, never give up. So guys, let's get started with essential tools. So, our first tool is knife. There are many types of knives: round knife, scythe knife, utility knife, small, large, medium, and many more. As a beginner, you will need a utility knife, which can cut straight, round, and curve. My tip: hold it as a scalpel, then you'll be the driver of your knife. And the second is awl. Awls come in different varieties: curved, diamond, lacing, needle awl, and so on. Scratch awl is a pretty universal working tool. They have sharp rounded tip and are used to pierce holes, leave point marks, make straight lines, and you will learn more about it. Edge beveler, simply explained. Edge bevelers are tools used to round the edges of leather. Comes in different thicknesses from 0.8 to 1.4, and use edge beveler according to thickness of your leather. And number 4, burnisher, or also called slicker. What do you do with the burnisher? Let me explain. Burnishing is a process of buffing leather to a slick and glossy finish. Burnishers are often made of wood, but can also be found in glass, brass, and so on. I strongly recommend wood. Before burnishing edges, you need to sand the edges. After sanding, you can bevel the edges, and then you can either use water or a burnishing cream. If you're using chrome tan leather, you need burnishing cream, and if you're using veg tan, you can use both. And number 5 is mallet. You have probably heard of mallet. Maybe there is a question: what is the difference between mallet and hammer? Well, there is one big difference. Mallet has one head and made of softer material like wood, rawhide, rubber, or nylon. Hammer, on the other hand, have 2 heads. For leather work, you need a mallet. Make sure the weight is good. I recommend to start with 480 grams. And for the number 6, you need a cutting mat. You don't want to scratch your table or your surface. For that, you need a cutting mat or a cutting board. Go to whatever shop, office supplies, or wherever you can find it there. And number 7, wing divider. You have 2 options: wing divider or tracing wheel. My personal opinion is that wing divider is better option. You can use it to mark the line for stitches, and you can draw half or full circles. Number 8, you need a glue. Now for the glue, there are many options in the market. Best option, as many leather crafters see, is Fiebing's leathercraft cement. It's a non-toxic, water-based and quick dry. But of course you can use whatever you like. It just needs to bond leather. For the number 9, pricking iron, there are varieties of chisels and pricking irons. Start with something easy and maybe cheap, just for the training purpose, maybe round chisel. Personally, I love my French and diamond. Mostly French. They give me beautiful stitching line. Alright, let's go over to thread. Number 10. For beginners, you can basically use whatever you like. Make sure thread is not thicker than 0.45 just for the training purpose, and is made of polyester. Important to wax it before, if not waxed. You probably need some needles too, and you can find it in the local store. Number 10, measurement tools. There are varieties of measurement tools. To start with, you only need a simple ruler made of plastic, acrylic or metal. Let's summarize everything. In my opinion, you need a utility knife, scratch awl, edge beveler, burnisher, of course burnisher cream, mallet, cutting mat, wing divider, glue, thread and needles, and of course a ruler. By the time you will understand which tool to replace or upgrade, and please find your local community such as Facebook groups, forums, etc., etc. Join them, go to workshops, but not too advanced ones. Set some targets. What do you want to achieve? And of course, I am always available for you. Let me know what you think of the video so I can make them better. And I'm really sorry for my English. This is my third language. But I will, with the time, will obviously improve. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please comment below what you think of the video, or if there is anything else, let me know. I'll try to explain it better. Thanks so much.